Terrence Lee Randolph, March 30th, 1947, December 10th, 2024. Today we remember that freedom is not free. We have to work at it, nurture it, protect it, and even sacrifice for it.
In recent days, a single incident has triggered intense national and international debate, raising serious questions about accountability, transparency, and the use of force in the United States. According to multiple reports, Alex Peretti was an ICU nurse and a volunteer who had previously helped veterans and vulnerable communities. On the day of the incident, he was present at what witnesses describe as a peaceful protest. What happened next has now become the center of a growing political and legal storm. Eyewitness accounts suggest that during the protest, Border Patrol agents were dispersing the crowd using pepper spray. At one point, a female protester was allegedly being beaten and sprayed. Witnesses claim that Alex Peretti stepped forward, not to escalate the situation, but to intervene and help her. Moments later, he was fatally shot. Authorities quickly released their version of events, stating that Peretti was armed and suggesting that his presence posed a threat. Officials emphasized that he had a legal concealed carry permit and questioned why someone would carry a firearm at a protest. However, this explanation has been challenged by multiple sources. According to witness statements and family representatives, Peretti never unholstered his weapon. Some accounts even allege that his firearm was removed by agents themselves. These conflicting narratives have fueled public skepticism and intensified demands for independent verification. Critics argue that the speed with which Peretti was labeled a domestic terrorist raises concerns. They question how such a conclusion could be reached so quickly before a full investigation was completed. Supporters of the administration, on the other hand, insist that law enforcement acted in the interest of public safety. The lack of transparent evidence has only widened the divide. As details emerged, backlash began to grow, not just from political opponents, but from unexpected quarters. Reports indicate that even some Republican leaders are now requesting formal testimony from agencies such as ICE, CBP, and USCIS. This shift has been described by analysts as unusual, suggesting discomfort within the administration's own political circle. International reaction has also been significant. Social media campaigns calling for boycotts and questioning the safety of visiting the United States began trending in several countries. Critics this could damage America's global image ahead of major international events. Meanwhile, the legal dimension of the case continues to deepen. The Hennepin County District Attorney's Office has reportedly filed a lawsuit demanding immediate access to federal evidence. According to court filings, federal agencies have been reluctant to cooperate with local and state investigators. Legal experts say such resistance only intensifies suspicion, regardless of the final outcome. Alex Peretti's family has publicly rejected the administration's claims, calling them sickening lies. In their statement, they emphasized that Alex was unarmed at the time he was attacked, and that he acted purely to protect another human being. They have demanded accountability, transparency, and justice. Adding to the broader context, the Department of Justice has faced criticism over attempts to target journalists covering protests. In one instance, a federal court reportedly rejected efforts to issue an arrest warrant against a reporter for documenting events, a move some view as part of a troubling pattern. As investigations continue, one question remains at the heart of this case. If nothing went wrong, why is access to evidence being restricted? For many observers, this is no longer just about one tragic death. It is about trust, power, and the line between security and accountability.